Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are told that 2w plus 4t is equal to 14. And 4w plus 5t is equal to 25. And we're asked to find the value of 2w plus 3t. So we have two equations with two variables. So first let's solve for the variables, and then we can go back and plug them into this expression to find its value. So we can use substitution or elimination, but it looks like elimination is going to be a lot easier with this problem. If we multiply this equation by 2, this becomes 2 times 2w is 4w, plus 2 times 4t is plus 8t, is equal to 2 times 14 is equal to 28. And if we subtract these two equations now, the w's cancel, we get 5t minus 8t is negative 3t. This is equal to 25 minus 28 is negative 3. Again, we just multiplied this entire equation by 2, which doesn't actually change anything about it, just changes the coefficients. And then we subtracted this new equation from the old one. We're left with negative 3t is equal to negative 3. And if we divide both sides by negative 3, these cancel, and we get t is equal to negative 3 divided by negative 3. Any number divided by itself is just 1. We have t is equal to 1. Now, if we know 2w plus 4t is equal to 14, and t is equal to 1, 2w plus 4 times 1 is equal to 14. And now we can just solve for w. 2w plus 4 times 1 is 4 is equal to 14. 2w, subtracting 4 on both sides, so I should make that a little bit more clear. These cancel. 2w is equal to 14 minus 4 is 10. Again, we want to solve for w, so we divide both sides by 2, and these cancel. We get w is equal to 10 divided by 2, or 5. So now we know what t is, we know what w is. So 2w plus 3t is equal to 2w is 2 times our value of w is 5 plus 3t. 3 times our new value of t is 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 times 1 is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. So our final answer is 13, or C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.